Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Dina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for green Thai tea. Now if you don't know what green Thai tea is, it's really similar to its cousin, the regular Thai tea, which is orange in color. And that's the Thai tea that you normally see here in the States at Thai restaurants. But green Thai tea combines mint and jasmine, which provides a very beautiful floral undertone to the taste of the tea. Now the tea mix that you would need for this recipe is a little bit harder to find than the normal Thai tea. I bought my mix on Amazon, and the brand that you should buy is Cha Cha Mui. That's the classic brand that you find in Thailand that a lot of food vendors use. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of that green Thai tea mix, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, as well as 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. And the brand that I like to use for this is the Longevity brand. Now for 2 servings of green Thai tea, you're going to want to boil 2 cups of water. Now you're going to place your green Thai tea mix into a French press or a large cup, and then go ahead and pour in the hot water into that and let that steep for 4 minutes, and no more than that or else your tea will be too bitter. Now if you're from Southern California, you can actually find green Thai tea at Seaside Bakery, which is a staple in Southern California for those late night ham and cheese sandwiches, and they also have green Thai tea on their menu. You can also find it at tea shops such as Bean Smith in Garden Grove. Now after 4 minutes that the tea has been steeping, go ahead and strain out the tea and transfer all the liquid into a separate cup. Then go ahead and cool down your tea in the refrigerator for about a couple of hours. After your tea has cooled completely, go ahead and prepare your cup of ice. Then you can go ahead and pour in your tea and add any type of creamer that you'd like. I'm using half and half here, and just a splash of that is enough. Then go ahead and mix that all up and enjoy the beautiful green color of this Thai tea. I hope you all enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you ended up trying this recipe, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.